I will never look at New Zealand the same way after learning Did you know it's sitting on a volcanic hotspot? So, how do volcanoes erupt? Let's break it down. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, there's a layer of molten rock called magma. When pressure builds up, this magma finds its way up through cracks and weak points, forming a magma chamber. Now imagine New Zealand with its stunning landscapes and over 50 volcanoes. Yep, we're talking about places like White Island, Taupo and Taranaki. But what causes these majestic beasts to blow their tops? It's all about that pressure. As the magma rises, gases dissolved in it start to expand. Think of it like shaking a fizzy drink. Eventually, the pressure becomes too much and boom! An eruption occurs, spewing out lava, ash and gases. In New Zealand, our volcanoes are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, a hotbed of seismic activity. And believe it or not, this fiery action actually makes us safer from nuclear fallout thanks to all the geothermal activity. But don't worry, our vigilant Kiwi scientists are always monitoring these fiery giants. From the Alpine Fault to the Hikurangi Trench, they keep a close eye on the ground beneath our feet. So next time you're in Aotearoa and marveling at the breathtaking scenery, remember, there's a whole lot of action happening below the surface. And that, my friends, is how volcanoes erupt. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring.